Withdrawing money from your iCloud account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Access your iCloud account. Log into your iCloud account using your Apple ID and password. You can do this through the iCloud website or the settings on your Apple device. Step 2. Navigate to Apple ID settings. Once logged in, go to the Apple ID settings. This can typically be found in the account settings or profile section of your iCloud dashboard. Step 3. Select payment and shipping. In the Apple ID settings, find the option for payment and shipping. Click on this to view your payment method and account balance. Step 4. Check your balance. Ensure that you have a balance available for withdrawal. If you have funds, you can proceed to the next step. If not, you will need to add funds or wait until you have a balance. Step 5. Withdraw funds. Select the option to withdraw funds. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details if they are not already saved. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer. Once you have completed these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Always double-check your bank details to avoid any issues with the transfer.